Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 18 September. Let's start. In the year of 1502 on this day, Christopher Columbus reached Costa Rica. This was the fifth and last stop of his journey. In the year of 1810 on this day, Chile declared its independence from Spain. In the year of 1851 on this day, the first edition of New York Daily Times newspaper was published. In the year of 1899 on this day, Rajnarayan Bose, a famous writer of Bengali language and one of the thinkers of the Bengali Renaissance, passed away. In the year of 1919 on this day, women got the right to vote in Holland. In the year of 1947 on this day, the National Security Act was approved. In the year of 1950 on this day, Savana Azmi, Bollywood actress, was born. She is the daughter of famous poet and lyricist Kafi Azmi. In the year of 1958 on this day, Bharat Ratna respected freedom fighter, social worker and educationist Bhagwan Das passed away. In the year of 1967 on this day, Nagaland recognized the English language for Berg. In the year of 1978 on this day, in the presence of US President Jimmy Carter, Egyptian President Anwar al-Sadat and Israel's Prime Minister Menachem Begin agree to peace. In the year of 1986 on this day, for the first time, women pilots flew jets between Bombay and Goa. In the year of 1987 on this day, US President Ronald Reagan announced that 1,000 nuclear missiles would be eliminated in the coming few years. In the year of 1988 on this day, the Constitution of Burma was revoked. In the year of 1992 on this day, Muhammad Hidayatullah, the first Muslim Chief Justice of India and the first acting president, passed away. In the year of 2003 on this day, the first bus service was started between Agartala and Dhaka. In the year of 2012 on this day, uterus of two mothers were transplanted to their daughters for the first time in the world at the University of Gothenburg. In the year of 2019 on this day, the Indian government proposed a ban on e-cigarettes. In the year of 2020 on this day, the historic Kosi Rail Mahasetu was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi through video conference. The government of India had approved the Mega Bridge Line project in Bihar in 2003 to 4. In the year of 2020 on this day, the Paytm app was removed from the Google Play Store for allegedly violating Google's gambling policies. In the year of 2020 on this day, the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2020 was passed in the Rajya Sabha. This bill was amended in the Homeopathy Central Council Act 1973. In the year of 2020 on this day, Udit Singhal, an 18-year-old youth from India, was named by the United Nations in the 2020 class of 17 youth leaders for SDGs. He was named in the 2020 list of young leaders promoting the sustainable development goals. In the year of 2020 on this day, retired Colonel Dr. Girja Shankar Mungali was appointed a member of the task force of the Asian Football Confederation. There were 7 members in this task force. In the year of 2020 on this day, Arundhati Roy's new book Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction was published by Penguin Books Limited. This non-fiction book is a collection of essays that showcase the meaning of freedom in a world of increasing authoritarianism. In the year of 2020 on this day, former Research and Analysis Wing RAW Chief Anil Dhasmana was appointed as the head of the National Technical Research Organization. Dhasmana will replace former Intelligence Bureau officer Satish Jha who stepped down. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.